Hey, this is Reuven Lerner. If you're watching this YouTube channel, you want to improve your Python fluency. But you know what? Watching videos just isn't going to do it. Good as the videos might be, and I hope that mine are, the best way to improve your Python fluency is to actually put yourself in sort of uncomfortable, challenging situations where you need to think and try and struggle, preferably with other people. Because when you're struggling with other people, you talk about the problem, you help to understand the problem better, and you get to the solution more quickly with a deeper understanding. That's how I've built up Weekly Python Exercise, which is a family of 6 different courses, 3 for beginners and 3 at a more intermediate advanced level. And the idea is that every Tuesday, you get a new problem. The following Monday, you get the solution, and in between, you can work on it on your own, hopefully taking no more than an hour, or you can talk about it with people in our private forum. Weekly Python Exercise has been going for several years now, and hundreds of Python developers from around the world have improved their Python fluency as a result. This coming September 17th, that's like 3 weeks from when I'm recording this at the end of August, I'm starting a new cohort, a beginner level cohort, which is going to be specially talking about object-oriented programming in Python. If you've been confused about methods, objects, instances, attributes, data, inheritance, all that stuff, this is the way that you are going to understand it, practice it, and improve your understanding so that you can use it in your current job or even get a better job. You'll be able to do more in less time and understand the code that you and others have written much better and take advantage of Python's features. Don't delay, because September 3rd is the last day for getting early bird pricing. After that, you're going to have to pay more. Why pay more for the same product? No reason. That's right. But wait, if you are a student, if you are a pensioner retiree, or if you live outside the 30 richest countries in the world, you get an additional discount. Just contact me for more details. Weekly Python Exercise is the best way that I know of to improve your Python. So don't wait. Join Weekly Python Exercise, what I call A3, the third part of my beginner level Weekly Python Exercise family of courses. Join, and on September 17th, start improving your Python fluency and getting more done in less time.